Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for an AI tool to create video ads? Today we're comparing Zeely and Arcads to help you pick the right one. Let's start with Zeely. This tool is built for small business owners who want everything in one place. You can create video ads, static images, and even launch campaigns directly to Facebook and Instagram. It's like having a complete marketing team in your pocket. Zeely uses AI to write your ad copy, pick the right visuals, and build multiple versions for testing. The best part, it connects to Shopify so it pulls your product photos and prices automatically. No extra work needed. Now, let's talk about Arcads. This tool focuses on one thing, creating realistic talking head videos with AI actors. You get over 300 avatars to choose from, and they look surprisingly real because they're based on actual people. Arcads is perfect for digital products like courses, software, or coaching services. You write your script, pick an actor, and the AI makes them say the words with perfect lip sync. You can even batch create dozens of videos at once for testing. Here's the catch though, with Arcads, it doesn't include video editing. You'll need another tool to add text, music, or graphics. Also, the actors can't hold physical products, so it's not ideal for e-commerce stores. Price-wise, Zeely starts at $30 per month and includes everything: video creation, static ads, and campaign management. Arcads is about the same but charges per video per credit, and you still need editing software. So, which one wins? If you sell physical products and want an all-in-one solution, go with Zeely. If you sell digital products and only need talking head videos, Arcads might work better. The real winner depends on what you're selling and how much time you want to spend editing. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.